Today I'm gonna trap El Cactus Hippopotamus. No, don't do it. Ha ha ha! Now you're trapped forever. Ha! No one will get you. Oh no! We have to help him. Yes. How will we fight Strawberry Elephant? I don't know. Let's just do it. Ha! They said they were gonna fight me. How will they defeat me? That doesn't work on me. Ha ha ha! Ha ha! That doesn't work. Oh no! How will we defeat her? That doesn't work on me. One last try and then. How did you defeat me? Let's both check on the Cactus Hippopotamus. We saved you. Yeah, today. We saved you. Now let's get you out of this place. You're free now. Yay!